Prince Andrew's second attempt to have a sexual lawsuit against him dropped has been rejected by a US federal court judge. Live now to our reporters, Miley Hogan is in New York. Miley, what happens now?
Well, Angie, it means that it moves forward to a hearing inside a New York City courtroom, something that lawyers for Prince Andrew had been working hard to avoid. They'd argued that the case could not go ahead here in the US because the accuser, Virginia Giuffre, lives in Australia, but a judge has dismissed that. Virginia Giuffre claims that she was trafficked by convicted pedophile Jeffrey Epstein and Ghislaine Maxwell to have sex with the Duke back in 2001 when she was just 17 years old. She also claims that she was abused by Epstein himself. Now, Prince Andrew has previously admitted to being friends with Ghislaine Maxwell, but strongly denies the abuse claims made against him. He says he doesn't even recall meeting Giuffre. Well, lawyers for Giuffre say they have up to 6 witnesses that contradict that statement and can place the prince with his accuser, and all of this will play out in a court in just a matter of days. Angie?
Thank you, Miley. Now to Europe Bureau Chief Hugh Whitfeld in London. Hugh, Prince Andrew is facing some pretty serious repercussions.
Well, Angie, a lot depends on the outcome of that trial in New York, but the reports here in London are that behind palace walls, royal aides are discussing whether or not Prince Andrew could or should be stripped of his title as Duke of York. The Queen granted her son the title when he married Fergie in 1986, and there's the possibility that Andrew may be forced to put that Duke of York title into a form of abeyance, similar to the situation surrounding Prince Harry and Meghan. It's possible that the Prince could also be forced to give up his home on the Windsor estate and be unable to travel internationally. Buckingham Palace is refusing to comment at this stage, with growing calls too for London's Metropolitan Police to investigate Prince Andrew and the allegations against him following Ghislaine Maxwell's conviction in New York. The Met has previously reviewed the case 3 times, but it's never gone to a full investigation. Angie.
Thanks very much, Hugh.